If you think the biggest opportunities to build wealth have already passed, think again. Every decade creates a new wave of millionaires, and in 2026, artificial intelligence is opening doors that simply didn't exist a few years ago. The surprising part isn't that AI is replacing jobs. The surprising part is that ordinary Americans are using AI to create entirely new income streams, sometimes with nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. While many people worry about AI taking their careers, others are quietly using the same technology to earn hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars every month. Today, we're diving into 7 AI side hustles that are changing lives across America, how they actually work, how much people are making, what it takes to get started, and the biggest mistakes beginners should avoid. By the end of this video, you'll understand why AI isn't just another technology trend. It may become one of the greatest wealth-building opportunities of this generation. Let's start with something that almost everyone already uses without realizing its earning potential. AI writing has become one of the fastest-growing freelance services in the United States. Businesses constantly need blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, email campaigns, website copy, and social media content. Instead of spending hours writing everything from scratch, successful freelancers now use advanced AI tools to speed up research, generate first drafts, improve grammar, and organize ideas. The important part isn't letting AI do all the work. Clients pay for quality, originality, strategy, and results. The freelancer who knows how to edit, fact-check, and personalize AI-generated content is providing real value. Many American freelancers now complete projects in half the time they used to, allowing them to serve more clients while increasing their income. Some beginners earn a few $100s each month, while experienced writers serving business clients can generate several $1,000s monthly without working traditional office hours. Another AI side hustle that's exploding is creating short-form videos for businesses. Millions of companies know they need content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts, but they don't have the time or skills to produce videos consistently. AI now makes script generation, voiceovers, subtitles, editing, background music, and visual effects dramatically faster than before. A single creator can produce multiple professional videos every day. Small businesses are happy to pay because consistent content brings attention, customers, and sales. Many freelancers charge monthly retainers instead of one-time projects, creating predictable recurring income. Instead of constantly searching for new customers, they build long-term relationships that continue paying month after month. One of the most profitable opportunities today is selling AI-powered digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or warehouses. Americans are creating printable planners, budgeting templates, business spreadsheets, ebooks, resume templates, online guides, educational resources, digital journals, and productivity systems enhanced with AI assistance. Once the product is created and listed on marketplaces or personal websites, every additional sale requires almost no extra work. This creates a business model that can continue generating income while the creator focuses on building new products. Digital assets become scalable because they can be sold thousands of times without increasing production costs. Another opportunity attracting entrepreneurs is AI consulting for small businesses. Thousands of local businesses hear about artificial intelligence every day but don't know where to begin. They aren't looking for software engineers. They simply want someone who understands practical AI tools that can save time, automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, organize documents, generate marketing content, or streamline daily operations. If you spend time learning the best AI platforms and understand how businesses operate, you can position yourself as an AI consultant. Many consultants start by helping local businesses implement simple workflows before expanding into larger automation projects. Since business owners care more about saving time and increasing profits than understanding technical details, consultants who communicate clearly often outperform people with stronger technical backgrounds. The next side hustle combines technology with one of America's largest industries, online education. AI has made creating educational content significantly faster. Instead of spending weeks preparing lessons, creators now use AI to organize research, generate quizzes, produce worksheets, create presentations, and outline complete courses. Students continue paying for knowledge that helps them earn promotions, start businesses, improve financial literacy, prepare for certifications, or develop valuable skills. Course creators who consistently deliver useful information often build multiple income streams through course sales, memberships, coaching, affiliate partnerships, and sponsorships. Education remains one of the strongest long-term markets because people continually invest in learning skills that improve their careers and financial future. Another rapidly growing opportunity is AI-assisted graphic design. Businesses need logos, advertisements, presentations, product mock-ups, social media graphics, marketing materials, and branding packages every single day. AI dramatically accelerates idea generation and creative exploration, allowing designers to test multiple concepts before refining the final version. The human designer still provides creative judgment, branding strategy, and professional finishing touches that AI alone cannot consistently deliver. As demand for visual content continues growing across every platform, designers who combine creativity with AI productivity can complete more projects while maintaining high quality. This efficiency translates directly into higher earning potential. Perhaps one of the most exciting opportunities is building AI-powered automation services. Every company has repetitive tasks that waste valuable employee time. Data entry, appointment scheduling, email responses, customer follow-ups, document organization, report generation, and workflow management can often be automated using modern AI platforms. Businesses willingly invest in automation because saving hundreds of work hours each year produces measurable financial returns. Freelancers specializing in automation frequently charge premium rates because their services don't simply complete tasks. They improve business efficiency and reduce operating costs. Once an automation system is built successfully, it often requires minimal maintenance while continuing to provide value for the client. While these opportunities sound exciting, there's an important reality that every aspiring entrepreneur needs to understand. AI is not a magic money machine. It is a productivity tool. The people making serious income aren't succeeding because they have access to AI. Millions of people have access to the same tools. They're succeeding because they understand business fundamentals. They know how to solve problems, communicate professionally, market their services, deliver consistent quality, meet deadlines, and build trust with customers. AI increases productivity, but trust is still earned through reliability and expertise. Another factor that separates successful creators from everyone else is consistency. Too many beginners spend weeks searching for the perfect AI tool instead of actually building something valuable. New platforms appear almost every month, each claiming to be revolutionary. Successful entrepreneurs don't chase every trend. They choose a profitable service, master the necessary tools, improve their workflow, gather client feedback, and gradually raise their prices as their experience grows. Small improvements made consistently often outperform constantly switching between business ideas. Financial responsibility also becomes increasingly important as your side hustle grows. Income earned through freelancing, consulting, or selling digital products may have tax obligations depending on your situation. Keeping accurate financial records, tracking expenses, setting aside money for taxes, and understanding IRS reporting requirements can help avoid unnecessary stress later. Many successful side hustlers eventually establish dedicated business bank accounts and work with qualified tax professionals to manage their finances efficiently as revenue increases. It's equally important to remember that building wealth isn't only about increasing income. Managing money wisely determines how much of that income actually improves your financial future. Many entrepreneurs use profits from their side hustles to build emergency savings, contribute to retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA when applicable, invest in diversified index funds, eliminate high-interest debt, and create long-term financial security. The goal isn't simply earning more money today. It's using today's income to build lasting wealth for tomorrow. As AI continues evolving, entirely new business opportunities will continue appearing. Some careers will change dramatically, while completely new professions will emerge. History has shown that technological revolutions consistently reward people who adapt early, continue learning, and focus on providing genuine value. The internet created digital entrepreneurs. Smartphones created app businesses and the creator economy. Artificial intelligence is creating another generation of opportunity, and we're still in the early stages. Imagine looking back 5 years from now. You could be someone who spent those years watching AI transform industries from the sidelines. Or you could be someone who decided to learn, experiment, develop valuable skills, and create additional income streams that improved your financial future. Every successful entrepreneur started without knowing everything. They learned by taking action, improving through experience, and staying consistent even when progress felt slow. The best time to start wasn't years ago. The second best time is today. Whether you choose AI writing, video creation, digital products, consulting, online education, graphic design, or business automation, remember that artificial intelligence is simply a powerful tool. Your creativity, discipline, integrity, and commitment to solving real problems will always remain your greatest competitive advantage. If you use AI wisely, continue learning, and focus on delivering genuine value, this technology could become one of the most important financial opportunities you'll encounter in your lifetime.